So today I have received this Dell N5110. So let me show you first. Laptop is right now on and it's on with the help of battery. Okay. I have turned on my power supply. I have connected my power supply. Let me turn on. As you can see, the laptop is not drawing any ampere and our battery is still not charging. Means the laptop is turning on with the help of our battery but not with the help of adapter. So let me check what problem is causing in this laptop and I will tell you. So we have this motherboard here and we have daughter board over here. So one problem which we are causing now, we have voltage on source terminal of this MOSFET and on gate terminal we are getting 19 volt, which is incorrect. We should have get here nearly 4 or 5 volt or approx 0, then only the voltage will be passed to gate. So right now one thing I am going to do, remove this MOSFET and just make a jumper wire, because our, let me show you, this is our main MOSFET of VIN section and this is a secondary and this is our sensing resistor. So this is our main power section which is connected to BQIC in this motherboard, and this is daughter board only for loose power protection. So I am just going to make a jumper from source to drain, and after making jumper let me show you. So I have made a jumper wire from drain to source. So let me plug in this our adapter cable and just turn on this power supply. Right now it's consuming 0 milliampere because we have not connected anything across this. So we are just going to check. Okay, let me hold like this. Okay, another probe. Okay, I am going to check voltage across this probe, and okay, we have 19.38 volt. So let me just connect this and show you. Okay, so we have made a jumper wire over here from drain to source, and this is our primary MOSFET and this is secondary MOSFET over our charging section, and this is our sensor resistor. So just we are going to turn on. Okay, I have turned on. As you can see, it's taking 12 milliamp, means our VIN supply has been generated, and I think 5 volt and 3.3 volt coil is also okay. So let me just try to power on. So I think power button is over here, so I am just going to slide this over. Okay, as you can see, our board is turning on and our this everything is turning on. Okay, our board is power on. I think display is also available. So this was in this case study in which our VIN supply was not going, means generating, because we were having this protection circuit was broken. So I have just jumped a wire, and now our all the motherboard is working fine. Thank you.